Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust parts of your videos, like the speed of it, using the speed graph, speed curve, whatever you want to call it. Select your video and go to speed and select curve. You can select the ones that they have here. They have this montage one, they have hero time, they have bullet, they have jump cut, they have flash in, flash out. You can even customize your own. So you want to go to the part and you want to speed that up. You're just going to select this bit right here and you're going to move it up. If you want your video to be faster, here until here, I'm going to make it faster. And then here I want to make it slower, so I'm just going to pull it down. You can even add in another beat, I guess. And here you can even enable smooth slow motion. It's like optical flow if you did slow down your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.